blogger that you have given me, Your Honor. And what I can say, we don't have this kind of information at all in the department. To me, it's a little preposterous actually to have something like this, 800 billion for 6 members of Congress.
Mr. Chair, can you restate it, Mr. Secretary? What was the allegation again? The 6 congressmen has cornered
800 billion
800 billion in projects.
pesos for flood control projects, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, can we ask the Secretary to make a categorical denial of the statement made by that blogger in social media in this committee? Mr. Chair.
It is actually now that it is now open for me to respond, Your Honor. What I'm saying is that we don't have any specific record of this kind of allocation for the 6 congressmen that has been put into the...
And can you mention the responsible blogger or a responsible blogger who made that allegation, Mr. Chair?
I don't have anybody. Did not say.
I think it's a page, Mr. Secretary.
Yeah.
Being circulated today.
So, Mr. Chairman, I would just like to thank the good secretary for at least clarifying that point, no? Kasi, alam mo, unfair talaga eh. I mean, we need to get, our facts, we need to get the truth, especially when we're trying to investigate issues and problems that affect the country. Now, if there are malicious people who want to take advantage...
Kaya niya